You guys, Warehouse 31 is a haunted house here in Central Alabama that is not to be missed. These guys are absolutely bouncing off the walls in this place. The energy is off the charts. They've got 2 different haunts. They've got their 3D attraction and their main haunted house called Rigamortis. We're gonna take you inside with us to show you why it's so awesome. Without further ado, let's go in here and get some scares. So the first one you go through is the 3D attraction, so that's where we're gonna head now.
We're going in the mouth.
Going in the mouth. Oh my.
Welcome to the freak show! Just remember, keep your hands and your feet inside the maze at all times, and you'll be sure to make it out alive.
Alive-ish?
He hesitated.
Watch out for the clowns, though.
Watch out.
They have a tendency to bite.
You can't trust
They
them.
bite? Oh no, biting clowns. This is very trippy.
Oh my.
And they have baseball bats.
They have weapons.
Yes.
Who gave the clowns weapons? Oh, good night.
Maybe. I really don't know.
Oh,
I better watch the corners in this place. I tried to do that.
Trying to take a picture of little old me. How's my smile?
Very
it's
definitely.
glorious.
Yeah.
Sugar. Right this way.
Uh-oh, watch the corners. We're going up. Uh-oh, Tyler.
That's never
What
good.
is that?
What is that?
Uh-oh, it took off running. Oh, and they're still
Oh
missing.
my.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Even the vortex
Lord.
is painted the same.
Oh my.
Whoa. Oh, I like that. Oh my God. Oh goodness.
Oh my.
That is, yeah, I see why they bite now. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Whoa, you're loud.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, okay. Oh my. Okay.
Oh my.
Oh, I don't like that door. Oh. Uh-oh.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. I just know they're around one of these corners. Oh my God, this is so trippy. Everything is moving. Oh, yeah? You don't bite, do you? Is that? Okay, I was gonna say, that looks. Oh my. Double tap. We'll love it? I don't know.
He's just a little sweetheart.
Who is? Oh, somebody. Floor is not even.
Nope, we're going up
This
and
is
down.
all messed up.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Oh, you. Oh God. I was not expecting them to go up there.
Oh God.
Okay, how'd they get up there?
Oh, the barrels are falling over.
How'd
you get up there?
You can stay up there. Oh my God. This is awesome.
Oh,
Yeah.
good night.
Holy cow, what was that? Oh. Yes.
I want some ice cream. I know you want some ice cream.
We like ice
We all
cream.
scream for ice cream.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're into the
Ew,
forest.
yes.
What kind of critters they got out here?
It's me again.
It is you.
Look everywhere. It's like a magic trick.
Yes.
There's like little ants on there. Let me get a closer look.
Oh God.
Oh, no. Do we still look like ants?
He still looks like What?
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you smell like fear!
There's a reason for that.
We're gonna.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I know. If you had these glasses, everything. Oh, what is that? Oh no.
Don't get hit by the train.
The train. The train.
That train. Oh! It moves fast.
That train. That train.
Oh, leave. Sneaky.
All right, and that was a 3D haunt, so now it's time to go see Rigamortis.
Welcome to Arcana Obscura. My name is Victoria. This is Bumble. Say hi, Bumble.
Hi, Bubbles. Look up.
Each artifact you see on my shelf and on my wall does have a rich history. Each one is a little bit more sinister than the last. But we want to feel love tonight, right?
Okay, yeah.
So what
Yes.
we're going to do is they're going to take your heart out and rip it into a million pieces. Is that okay with you?
I think so.
You think so? Well, you better be sure because we're going to do it. Keep my warning, because once you step through my door, I'm not able to help you.
Oh
So
my.
once you go through, then not my problem, not my concern.
I wonder if the chainsaw is her problem.
This is creepy.
In the haunted attic.
Tyler, I should not be in the.
Oh, good
Jesus
night.
Christ!
Where the hell did he come from?
more of the oddities. Oh no! No!
Oh, Spidey.
Dang it!
Spidey.
Oh my God!
Oh,
What is
God.
it? Ow! It's just, oh!
The dangling on the egg
Those are gross.
sacs.
Oh no! 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 No!
Gotta walk in front of it.
Shiz. Ooh, it smells really, oh my God. That's huge.
That is a rather
Holy
large
cow.
critter.
Very large.
Oh my.
Is it a fish?
Is that a kitty fish?
I think it's a fish.
I think it's a kitty fish.
But there's something, I'm gonna die.
Oh my. Ow. You're not supposed to eat that. Oh God.
Why do they,
Oh my.
so many
Oh
weapons.
God. Oh God.
Hey! Oh my, okay.
Oh my. Oh God. Oh God. What the heck is that? Oh God. Oh Lord.
There's something moving in the middle of the floor.
Oh, into
Are you
this one.
okay? I don't think so.
Are you? I don't think he's okay.
I don't either.
Oh my.
I even looked over
Oh
there.
God. Oh God. Oh God.
No.
Ah, nope, nope, nope.
This is creepy.
Zombies. Nora, where are you taking us?
Into the fog.
Into the-
And what is in the fog? Good night. That's a good double
Oh,
tap.
God.
Good double tap.
Oh God. Oh my. Oh, they're following. Oh, they're following. Oh God. Oh my.
Wow. Oh.
Still following me.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh God.
Oh,
Double tap.
they got the farmer. Farmer Frank.
Oh.
Okay, the curtain's come alive.
It is really dark.
Yep. That it is.
We got
Ay,
cemetery.
ay.
Easy. Easy.
Oh.
Oh God. Nope,
They are
nope,
definitely
nope,
trying
nope.
to add us to the collection.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
that one's
That
not
one's
dead
not
yet.
dead yet.
Jinx. Hey.
He's spitting.
Oh, I don't like that.
Whoa! What are you doing up there?
No, God, now they're not up there.
Down there.
Oh,
God.
oh.
Where's she going?
Dang, they like to be up in the air. I
Oh,
like
God.
it.
Uh-oh.
Watch your head.
She come back for more. Nope. Caution, danger.
Follow the light. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's something on the other side. Oh, you stay in there.
Easy. Oh, God.
Uh-oh, we're back in the...
Yeah.
Look who came back!
Yeah! Not by choice, though.
Hope to see you again!
Oh, I bet it's gonna happen. Something there don't look right.
Nope. He didn't make it. They didn't make it.
Oh, that's nice and wet.
Oh my. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. She's gonna try to eat us.
Oh, they spat us. Spat out. Uh-oh.
Where are you chocolate from? Put it on you. I chocolate. You know what?
Oh no.
Are you sure?
No.
Medicine.
Just
Medicine, yeah, take
medicine.
more
It's
of
always
it.
good.
What is going on? It smells like food.
She's not crazy.
Stinks really bad. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Use the sawzall.
Oh,
God.
really? It's a new organ. No. No, I gotta keep this. No way.
Just give me your skin. Fine then.
Oh! There's somebody on the other side of the door.
How about you entertain the crazies for me?
Oh, entertain them? That's not what that's for.
Nope.
Wow. I can't.
Okay. She's going crazy. Okay, thank you.
Entertain them. Oh, there is no entertaining them.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh my goodness. You need more. Don't be afraid. It's not just a dream. It's a dream. Oh.
I didn't do anything to you.
They think we did. Oh. I can't. It's locked.
Trying to get out.
They just have, the bodies are getting so
Oh
thick
my
that they had to
goodness.
have multiple places for them.
Oh God. Oh God.
interesting.
Are we stuck? It's a dead end. Maybe we push. Oh, secret door.
Uh-oh,
Secret
Tyler.
morgue.
Secret. This doesn't...
Definitely a morgue. You stay over there.
Oh.
Good night.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
It's the
Oh my.
hisser again.
She's a biter.
They definitely probably bite. I think the morgue might have took us back to the hillbillies. Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh, yep, there he is again.
Here I come!
I don't trust you. You shouldn't. I know. No.
Oh God, look out for the car.
Okay. Hey.
He's excited.
He's lost it. Uh-oh. I don't like that smell. That smell.
That sound.
No. Yes.
Good.
This in the kitchen.
Okay. The kitchen.
Baby's in there cooking her heart.
Okay. I'm cooking her heart out.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. Huh?
Come on in.
Come on in. Okay.
Come on
Okay,
in.
Yeah.
Supper's waiting on you.
Supper. What are we having?
Granny's cooking her heart out for y'all.
Cooking a
Granny?
heart out.
Are you Granny?
Are you Granny? Are you okay?
Come on, y'all.
Did you know there's things in your walls?
Oh gosh.
Enjoy dinner now.
We're gonna try.
I don't
Granny?
trust them.
Nasty bathroom. Dinner time. Oh God.
I think we're dinner. Oh. What the heck? The dinosaur is moving.
Angry dinosaur.
Oh no.
It's
I
not,
don't like it.
Oh, look up here, Nora.
Tyler, keep walking.
Oh my! Oh God. Oh! She's excited. Oh, good. You stay in the bed. You stay in the bed. Time to go back to sleep.
Oh my goodness, there's some cool t-shirts.
What the heck is that?
What is that smell? It smells like
cow.
mothballs in the closet. Mothballs. Oh,
Mothball, yeah.
oh my gosh.
Gets in your mouth.
Oh. I feel like I'm eating them. Oh no. Oh God.
He sneaks up out everywhere.
Where did you
Oh
go?
my. Where did he go?
I don't know.
Oh my.
What is behind you?
Oh my God, listen to this dude.
I know.
Oh
That's why I'm running. Oh my God.
That
What
sounds
happened?
big.
Where did they go?
It sounded big and angry.
Oh no. There's someone over there. Ooh, we're going down. Oh my God, did you see them just walk past?
I did not.
Oh, it was creepy.
The shadow.
It was a person.
Welcome.
Oh, we like the underworld. Oh my God, I did not even see you there. No gold. Do you have gold? It smells, oh, there's shadows. Oh my gosh.
Where's my gold?
Oh, I don't have it. I think that guy back there on the ground does. Oh,
That guy might have it.
He might, yeah. Oh.
Air blast.
Oh, what?
Did he just say cut his cheese?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, that's us.
Where? Oh, cheese and the wine. Yeah. Wine cellar.
Oh my God.
looks like he could snap at any minute. Holy cow.
I know. Oh, not the Sparkies.
Oh,
The
my.
Sparks. Uh-oh. Oh, there's surveillance cameras. Oh, I think you are. Oh, God.
Gotta watch him, Bergen. You gotta watch him. Oh, my.
What? Oh, more bats. Oh, my God. Let's go for hiding this tunnel.
Oh, God.
Oh! Ah! No! Oh. Ah! Oh, my goodness. Hey, now.
Wow.
No biting.
Big air blast.
Uh-oh. Those guys didn't make it.
They got stuck to the wall.
Dangerous.
Holy cow.
I can't.
She's stuck in there. We don't have the key. We don't have the key. I'm sorry. Oh my.
More powerful. No. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm hoping this is the door.
Oh my.
It is. It's the door.
Out the door. Out the door.
Help! Help!
I think this is the exit.
You think?
Oh God, there's this guy again.
You got.
He followed us all the way out.
You got walk. We lost our souls forever at Warehouse 31.
Holy crap, guys. That was Warehouse 31 down here in Pelham, Alabama. Let us know what you thought. This place was absolutely off the charts. Loved every single minute of it. If you're ever down here in Central Alabama, make sure you come down here and see Warehouse 31. Tell them the Scare Factor sent you. And speaking of coming to haunts down here in Alabama, we went to a bunch more while we were here. I got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.